I'm making this video for my brothers and sisters who are in primary, secondary, vacation of senior 6. I just want you to answer this question for yourself. What do you think it feels like putting on this gown? What do you think it feels like? It tastes like? How do you think it is? What do you think is the taste, the feeling of putting on this gown? I know there are so many challenges students and pupils go through at school. I was also in the same category. I know those problems. I faced so many challenges at school. But I'm here to encourage you not to drop before you get at campus. I'm just kindly asking you, don't dare drop from school before you make it at campus. Campus is another life, my brother. It is another wonderful life. You need to come and see. You'll be like, what? You'll enjoy. This is a place whereby you mingle with cultures from all over this world, whereby with cultural diversity you may change your society, you may change yourself. Make it at campus. Make it at campus. I know you're planning to drop from school because there is that teacher who is a problem to you. He is always against you. He has used the trick of caning you even when you have done nothing, and you feel like the teacher is making you hate education. Please, I ask you, don't drop. Just know that is a devil in that person. All you need to do is to pray for that teacher of yours so that he can change. Let not your teacher stop you from concentrating on your education. He is for a while. Moreover, he's going to teach you for senior 1. Only senior 1. And in senior 1, you want to drop from school? No. Your teacher is for a while. Those devils come for a minute, for days, for terms, but they will not come to stay. There are those, maybe you come from families that are filled with domestic violence. You feel life at home is not giving you the courage of going at school. But guess what? Do you know if you make it at campus, you'll be the person to change that life at home? Do you think about that? Because now you'll have seen the disadvantages of having domestic violence at home. You may be coming from a struggling family. You may be coming from a family of the poor, but I want to tell you, a good family will come from you if you make it at campus. That good life you want will come from you, and you'll change at home, and people at home will be like, oh, our daughters brought us good life. Make it at campus. Connect with people in this world. Connect with people in this world. I'm just scared of my sisters who are planning to drop from school because of these periods of every month, and you think just because you don't have a sanitary pad, you are not worth it to be in the society. No, my sister, please don't drop from school because of a sanitary pad. That situation you are going through, it is for a moment. It has not come to stay. Do you know how many sanitary pads you can avail to yourself if you study and you complete? So many like this. Don't drop from school because of a sanitary pad. My sister, I'm kindly asking you not to drop from school, because this life at campus is another one. It is another one. It is a life I want for everyone. I wish for everyone to enjoy. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, what kind of life do you want to settle for? Dropping in senior 1, dropping in primary, that is cheap life. It is cheap life. Make it at campus, mingle with the rich, and I'm speaking to those people who think people who make it at campus come from rich families. No. If I showed you where I come from, you cannot believe. Campus is for everyone. Everyone is welcome at campus. I come from a struggling family, but I'm now in a gown. I'm in a gown. I'm the first person to make it at campus. You can also be the first person to do anything in your family. I did this for my mother. Who do you want to do it for? Who do you want to do it for, my brother and sister? Make it at campus, rub shoulders with the rich, and guess what? You are going to study, rub shoulders with ministers in the same class. Can you imagine that? You know how it tastes sitting in the same class with a minister, with the daughter of an RDC, with the daughter of maybe the prime minister? Do you know how it feels like? You are the one. You can also be here. You can also make it at the university. No special person comes at the university, but you are special. You can also make it here. Please, don't drop from school. Don't drop from school. Thank you for listening. May God bless you as you're doing the reading, concentrating on your books, working to make it at campus. Thank you very much. I sign out. I'm waiting for you to make it at campus. Thank you for listening.